XRP. Okay, before I analyze the chart, just I need to mention here that I share a video on my channel and it's regarding the XRP, why we're expecting the price can drop. And if I move to forward chart, if you remember guys, when the price was within this range, I was keep mentioning that we can expect the price to drop similar to what we have here. And that we can see the price drop. Okay, that's why I create a video and share on my channel for the XRP, how we have been looking for the chart for long term and why we could expect the price can drop. That's why every times when the price was within this range, I was keep mentioning the price can drop. Okay, and the what I shared the video is very brief. It's not too details, just overall I show how we traded because we're following the Elliott wave theory and why we have been looking for this move. Okay, I will share the link of the video in the description of this video. Please go and watch. And if you have any comment, just leave the, I mean, just give me your comments because I'm thinking to prepare more video, more educational and with the details. As I said, this one is not really into the details, just very brief. Okay, then I can prepare more videos in the details and at least help the traders to know how to analyze chart by themselves. And when I'm analyzing, at least they know what I'm talking about. At least they have the background or some information about the Elliott wave. And then when I analyze any chart, then they know what I'm talking about. Okay, that's why I create that video and I share it. And again, I will share the post the link for that video in the description of this video. Please watch and give me your comments because I'm thinking if I can prepare more educational video, at least it can help the traders to do the analysis by themselves. Okay, by the way, now we want to see if I move to 1 hour chart. Okay, we want to see how we can trade for the XRP. Based on 1 hour chart, again, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, I was keep mentioning we don't have any trade setup. I mean, for buy, we don't need to jump into the trade because I was keep mentioning we expecting the price to break this low. And if the price break, even I mentioned the price can break 45 cents and move lower because we were, looking for the expanding flat. We had two options. One of the option was this. And as we can see, price drop. And if I move to forward chart, if you remember when the price was within this range, and here we mentioned we expecting to get this down move, and this is what we get. And the price dropped to this low at what we expected. And now the question is, how deep this one can go? This is the only correction and we can expect for the reversal, or still we can expect for the correction for the continuation. Because if the price reverse from here or drop and retest this low, any of them can give us a different type of the flat. Okay, no, we don't need to care about that. Now we want to see if we get any buy setup within this range, we take it. Okay, right now we want to see whether we have a buy setup or not. But based on uh, 4 hour chart, if you put these things together and if I move to this indicator, we see we have a divergence in this one in relative to this. And me here and relative to this. And but MACD doesn't show us any, it doesn't show the divergence. That's why we don't need to really rely on this because of this sharp move. Okay, now if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart, what I can see here, the price is not really moving fast. Okay, no, the thing is we should know that this kind of the move is, still we can expect the price to get one more drop. And if we get one more drop, then it can give us a better confirmation to look for buy. Okay, how about if we didn't get the one more drop? And that's me if the price didn't drop before we get the next move. Okay, the only way we can look for buy if we get correction here. All right, before we look for buy. And if we didn't get correction, if we see any continuation with the flag above the top, we can trade it. Rather than that, right now we cannot jump into the trade even if the sharp reprice reverse. Okay, now we don't have any trade set up. We want to see whether we can get the correction from one more drop or we get any buy setup from here. Okay, right now whatever we're talking is based on 1 hour chart. May the traders can, if they trade based on lower time frame, 15 or 5 minutes, they can get the trade setup as there as well. Based on lower time frame. But right now we don't have any trade setup. As I say, if we get any correction here, then we can consider for buy or we get the best is we get one more drop. And the last things, if the price can sharply move with any flag. And as I say, we don't have any trade setup and we just follow the chart. No, we need to get the confirmation whether this one can give us any buy setup or not. Maybe we can refer to this one. We have this sharp move down, the price reverse start to correct, and this is what we get. That's mean if we get the correction here, maybe we can look for buy. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and as I say, we get the one move down is the best option, and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any changes, then I will share on YouTube. And if you move to 4 hour chart, as we can see, we have been looking for this. The only thing is we need to confirm whether there is a continuation or not. And as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, right now we cannot confirm. Okay, because what we have right here is really corrective. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. And that's all. Thanks.